Welcome to my video on how to make a deckle. The first thing you're going to need is a staple gun, some staples, a pair of scissors, a window screen, and a couple of frames. You can make your own frame if you want. If you're more into woodworking and stuff, there's lots of YouTube videos out there on how to make a wood frame. For this, I'm just using a couple of frames that I got from a store, just to make sure that they're the same size, so when I'm making the deckle, they line up properly. The first thing you want to do is cut down the window screen to size, and then just staple it to the first frame. On this particular frame, you can see there's these little tabs, and it's supposed to hold in the picture and the glass. You can just remove these with the pliers, it's really easy, and then voila, you're done. Now you have a deckle.